Please check the product information on the side of the box to confirm that the products are correct, including model and color, and record the bike's serial number for warranty. Use the utility knife to cut the straps off the outer box. Cut the cardboard along the edges with a knife. Take out the bike. Open the accessory box. Take out the charger, pedal, and plastic dust cover. Use scissors to cut open the plastic packaging on the body of the bike. Remove the related parts from the box and prepare for installation. These include the front cover plate, accompanying screws, and nuts. Flip the column. Remove the fixed cover plate. Install the handlebars on the column, and tighten the nuts of the fixed cover bolts. Take off the front wheel axle from the packaging box. Remove the nuts from the front wheel axle. Insert the front wheel axle into the front wheel hub. Prop up the side kickstand to facilitate the front wheel installation. Lift the front fork and install the front wheel. Ensure the brake rotor is positioned between the brake pads. Tighten the fixing screws of the front wheel axle. Take off the front mudguard from the packaging bag. Align the mudguard's opening with the holes in the front fork, and fix the headlight, mudguard, and front fork together. Screw on the fixing screws for the front mudguard and front fork. Connect the speedometer cables, matching the blue connector to the blue socket. Red connector to the red socket. Ensuring the arrows on both ends of the connectors align. Adjust the speedometer to a comfortable position for use. Tighten the speedometer using the hex wrench from the installation package. Adjust the bell and gear shift buttons to a comfortable position for use. Take off the pedals from the packaging bag. Based on the left and right markings on the pedals, install them on the respective sides. Use a 15 mm wrench to tighten the left pedal counterclockwise and the right pedal clockwise. Repeat the same step to finish the pedal installation. Be advised, the right pedal are clockwise. Install the dust cover. Take off the battery from the packaging bag. Align the battery's slide rail with the slide rail behind the seat on the battery slot. Gently place the battery into the slot. And lock the battery lock. Insert the seat. Adjust the seat height to a suitable position. And secure the buckle. Press the speedometer switch, and the speedometer should light up. Check that the assist levels 1 to 7 are displayed correctly. Check the tail light. Check the headlight. Check the brake light. This bike can be folded. Open the folding buckle to fold the bike and save storage space. Restore to the original state. Fasten the buckle. And the bike is ready for normal use.